Looking for a security camera that can do it all, that also can protect your home, business, or remote property? A powerful camera with an advanced feature and reliable performance? Altas PT Ultra is your ultimate security solution. This camera delivers lag-free streaming and instant notifications, ensuring you're always in the know. How? Altas PT Ultra, powered by Wi-Fi 6 technology, which means lag-free streaming and instant notifications, ensuring you're always in the know. Check out this example. Here.
Normal connection can leave you waiting with lags and loading times. With Wi-Fi 6, enjoy faster speeds and smoother streaming.
Like your style and you know you got moves. You spit game and you know you spit smooth. Glad you came, it's best you come and stay.
This camera is equipped with advanced motion detection and continuous recording, ensuring you never miss a thing. How? With the massive 20,000 mAh battery, the Altas PT Ultra provides long-lasting performance. So you can rely on it day and night. And my favorite part is this camera comes with a pre-recording feature, capturing important moments even before motion is detected. Let's check out this example.
With motion detection recording, your camera only captures when movement is detected. It's efficient and targeted. With continuous recording, you can capture every moment. Perfect for ensuring nothing is missed during extended periods.
Next, wire-free. One remarkable feature about this camera is it's hassle-free, wire-free. It offers the flexibility to be placed anywhere without the constraints of wires. You can set it up effortlessly in any location of your choice. In contrast to wired cameras, you don't have to contend with traditional inconvenience of dealing with cables. Let's check out this example. Thank you for watching this video, and as usual, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and while you're doing that, drop a comment down below on what you want to see on our next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until our next video, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.